What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got some brand new NASCAR Diecast to get into. As always, we'll take them out one at a time, see what we can get. Should have 7 brand new 164s, as you can see here. We're going to take them out one at a time, get into it. Right here, right now, let's start it off. First, Chase Briscoe. Good timing on this one. Winner from Chicagoland. This is his number 19 Bass Pro Shops for the 2026 season. So good looking scheme, of course, as always. We've seen this one for a few years now. But good to get. Next, we got a 2025 Michael McDowell. This is the Tide number 71 for Spire. So, got a 2025 here. Good looking, of course. Orange pops out. Next, this is the number 1 for JRM. This is Connor Zilich in his Carolina Carports for the 2026 season. And while that's here, I may as well just Ross Chastain's number 9 Carolina Carports for JRM in the O'Reilly Auto Parts series. So here they are, number 1 and number 9. But they do have some differences in there that I can see. And this could be just die-cast. I'm not sure if in real life they have these differences, but they could. But Bass Pro Shops on the number 1, not on the number 9. Also on the number 1 and not the number 9 is Roto-Rooter. But again, those two schemes, or those two sponsors, I should say, are on the number 1 and not the number 9 with Quapple and guys like that. So cool to get those. And while we're on the seeing double train, let's just go ahead and do this. Trackhouse, Red Bull 97 and 88. I'm surprised this one made it to me in one piece, given the luck that this scheme driver car has had. Nice to see it make it to me. Looks great. I love Connor Zilich. Hoping he can turn around his luck, but I don't know. Not looking good. Then, of course, teammate SVG. Also had a very eventful weekend at Chicagoland. And then, let's see, let's move the box. One more in the box. And then I want to show something real quick with these cars right here. But let's move that to the side. One more is the Christopher Bell DeWalt number 20. This is the playoff Bristol night race win from 2025. Of course, the round of 16 Bristol race. This is the race Brad Keselowski had a good chance to win there at the end. Gave him a big, big bump in the final turn. And what did it do? Propelled Christopher Bell about 10 miles an hour faster. Because that's just what this next-gen car does, I guess. I'm not a fan of the next-gen, by the way. So, yeah, that was kind of... I was at this race, as I am most Bristol races. And that was pretty annoying to see. Nothing against Christopher Bell, but, I mean, Keselowski gave him the biggest shot I've ever seen. And all it did was make Christopher Bell round that turn way faster. Anyways, so what are you going to do? That's next gen for you. But that is it from the box. And just a tiny tidbit that I want to get into with these puppies right quick. All right, got these two out because I just wanted to point out that these do not come on a base anymore. I'm sure if you're a hardcore fan, you've noticed, or you knew this was coming. If you know the reason behind it, let me know in the comments, because I'm not going to tell you the exact reason. But, of course, last season, up to this point, the Red Bull cars were on the base, the same base that the alcohol 164s get and the other energy drink 164s. But these two, not on that base, which I prefer it this way because I'm not really a fan of the base anyways. So really cool that these two do not. Again, I don't know the reason myself, but it is cool to get these two just loose, because that's how I like them as is. So just wanted to point that out while I got these brand new in this unboxing. I noticed that before I even ordered them, because all the, you know, the pictures when you order from Circle B, where I get them, have the cars displayed, and I'm like, no base. That's interesting for a Red Bull car, the energy drinks car. So just wanted to point that out, which again, some of you probably already knew this just from seeing these, but let's get everything back in here. Some seeing double involved in this. Let's just move the boxes. Involved in this one, because we got the two Red Bull cars that I absolutely love and hope this one can turn around the luck. And then we got the two JRM cars with matching schemes, just the different numbers and drivers. Then we got the current defending race winner from Chicagoland, Briscoe. Then we got two 2025 cars, a Bristol race win that I was at, and the Michael McDowell Tide ride. But that'll wrap this one up. As always, like this video, leave a comment on which car you like the best from this video, and subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out. I'll catch you guys in the next one.